Hi, hello friends. This is day 2 in Calicut. We just had our breakfast. My friends are already down. They're waiting, so I'm on my way down. So we'll be going today to the beach and I'm doing some little bit of shopping. So I'll take you through all that. Taken a tuk-tuk.
Now you are free today.
Yeah. Now we can record. We're going to the beach. So we'll finish shopping and come back, right?
We'll finish shopping and come back.
Okay.
We'll get ready, then we'll go for lunch.
Right.
Then we'll come back, sleep for some time.
No session before lunch, huh?
We'll have a session.
இது நல்லா இருக்கும். அதில் பைனாப்பிள் இருக்கும். பைனாப்பிள் மேங்கோ இதெல்லாம் சூப்பராக இருக்கும் டேஸ்ட். அப்புறம் வரலாம். Time now is exactly 10:05 and we just made it to Calicut Beach.
The Calicut Beach is renowned for its tranquil charm, with breathtaking sunset views that paint the sky in a vivid shades of orange and pink. The best time to visit this beach would be in the evening. Since we did not have time, we visited in the morning.
One thing that I observed is the Calicut city is actually pretty clean. The roads, if you've seen in the video also, you would have noticed that the city is actually very clean. I'm really surprised. I'm really happy actually. Surprised and happy as well. For the people of Calicut, thumbs up for you guys for maintaining the city so clean and neat. Beach பரவாயில்லை க்ளீனாக மெயின்டைன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்கடா.
Neat ஆ இருக்கு. City itself is clean.
City itself is so clean.
After a quick walk in the beach, we are now on our way to S.M Street. S.M Street, what gets the abbreviation as Sweetmeat Street, also known as the Mithai Teru, is a shopping street located in Kozhikode. As the name suggests, this street houses one of Kozhikode's famous halwa shops, which are almost 100 years old. We are now on our way to one such bakery, which has a history of 92 years, to taste the authentic sweets that are unique to this wonderful city.
We are now here at the famous S.M Street in Calicut, trying to buy some halwa and banana chips. Okay. I was busy talking. Oriental halwa shop. Finally reached Shankaran bakery. Calicut famous alla. Okay, we are at Calicut famous Shankaran bakery. Hi. Since 1933.
Corn flour and these two are made up of corn flour and rice mixture.
Okay.
These are all made up of corn flour.
Corn flour. Usually we use wheat, right? Wheat based halwas. Oh, this is
Made up of wheat and coconut covered.
just like that Tirunelveli halwa.
Not like Tirunelveli halwa, but the same ingredients.
Ingredients are the same. So I will take 250 grams. You suggest me which is the best one.
Try this one. This one is made up of rice and you can take any other.
This is rice, sir.
Rice one.
Okay. Naveen, taste. It's made of rice. Hold back. Ah.
Made up of grape and honey.
Grape and honey. Okay.
We have 30 plus varieties of halwas. Fig halwa, banana halwa, tender coconut milk. We have 4 types of dry fruits: honey, anar, pineapple, pista, and we have green chili halwa.
Okay.
We have pepper halwa.
Pepper halwa, right? Yeah, okay.
We have badam, we have plum, we have strawberry, mango, and pumpkin also.
Pumpkin also. Okay, 1 second. So ಇದು வந்துட்டு ಲಕ್ಷದ್ವೀಪ್ ಹಲ್ವಾ. Let's taste it. Very nice. So this is Lakshadweep halwa, which is actually made out of the coconut that you get in Lakshadweep. So this is special of Shankaran bakery. Anyone coming here, don't forget to try this. Really good. 3 packets. Moonanandam. Good one. Good. You liked it? Good. Very nice. Amit bhai, you liked it?
Nested in the heart of SM Street, Shankaran Bakery has been spreading sweetness for generations since its humble beginnings in 1933. After tasting the unique flavors of halwa, which is famous for Calicut, finally bought a pack of mixed halwa and banana chips. A sweet memory that I'm going to carry forward. Don't forget to taste the Lakshadweep halwa next time when you're at Kozhikode at this almost a century old bakery. After walking the length and breadth of SM Street, it was time for lunch. We were heading towards the famous Paragon restaurant, another place which has been serving the authentic local cuisine for over 85 years now.
Thanks for Sachin actually. First floor. Actually 3, huh?
3?
Huh. Finally we made it to Paragon after waiting for almost 1 hour. We finally got our table and we have ordered one of the best dishes on the house, so we're just waiting for the food to arrive. We're all hungry as well. Okay, after this one is tawa fry. This one? Rava fry. Okay. One tawa fry, one rava fry, and one chicken palli palayam. Okay. Let's get started. Super. Palli palayam chicken is super. Tawa fry prawns. And this is the prawns rawa fry. The taste is so good. I think it's ghee roasted. They applied some little bit of ghee and then roasted this rawa. Just the rawa itself is so good to have. So good. Nool parota. Look at that. It just comes out like a thread. See that?
Very different.
Give me some curry macha. And along with nool parota, we have kingfish mango gravy. The curry smells yummy. Prepared with coconut oil, mango. You just taste it.
Go for it.
Brilliant. Brilliantly done. You get that a little bit of a tanginess of the mango. Cooked perfectly using the coconut oil. You get that flavor of the coconut oil. And look at that, the kingfish. Amazing, it is amazing. Wow. Super agada. We're just going to try biryani now. It's not the usual Malabar biryani that we have. It's a little different. It's a bit. I think you have that touch of sweetness to this biryani. Maybe because of the raisins that they have used. They have used raisins in this. And maybe because of the onions. They've used more onions to this. That is what is giving that slight sweetness to this biryani. Mutton is cooked to perfection. Amazing. So good. A very well made biryani. Slightly different from the usual Malabar biryani or the Talasheri biryani that we usually have.
After treating our taste buds with an amazing lunch, it was time to head back to the hotel. Probably a quick power nap was something that I need for this moment. If there are more such restaurants which you want me to try the next time I'm in this city, drop the name of the restaurants in the comment below. A sweet memory that is going to be with me for a very long time, a city that I was clueless, has welcomed me and given me the warmth and the longingness to come back again to explore more about the city and the people of Calicut. With a note of thanks, I would like to end this episode here. If you have liked what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For more such content, until next time, this is Sanchari signing off. Take care and peace.